every pregnant lady is a very, very, very important stage. Okay, because you are inviting a soul. But another thing important is music. Lot of music should be there, instrumental music. जैसा पंडित का रविशंकर जी का या बिस्मिल्लाह खान का. Okay, so you have to give lot of music at home, lot of meditation, and write books to be read, like Bhagavad Gita. Don't worry about the child. Take care of the mother. Child is a great master, but the mother does not know that she is giving to a great master. You have to train the mother. There is nothing to train the child. You have to train the mother. The mother should be peaceful, happy, meditative, energyful, musicful. And there should be pyramid on her bed. We train the mother, not the baby. Baby is always a perfect master. Don't worry about the baby. Worry about the mother. Take care of the mother.